welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Cleopatra's beauty secrets. Although we may not know everything about her skincare and the exact flowers, herbs, or oils that she used in her skincare routine, we can still take what she did and add it with what we have laying around the house or in nature. The first skincare routine would be Cleopatra's cleanser. All you need is milk and honey, and I'm going to use coconut milk unsweetened and local honey. You don't need to use that much. I'm just using a tablespoon of milk and a tablespoon of honey, mixing both together and then spreading it all over my face. I like to leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. I've been using this cleanser for about 2 months and it has made my skin feel very soft. Another skincare product that she used was a skin brightening exfoliator. All you need is baking soda and water. This has actually dried my skin out, so I don't use it that much. I just take a half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it with just a little bit of water to make it into a paste. And I leave it on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Another skincare routine that Cleopatra used to make her hair silky smooth and shiny was to beat 3 eggs together in a small bowl and apply it to wet hair. I massage this in to their roots and leave it on for about 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing out. And make sure to rinse out with cold water so that you don't have cooked egg particles left in your hair. If you want to make sure that you don't have any cooked egg particles left in your hair, then just omit the egg whites. One skincare routine that Cleopatra used often was the anti-wrinkle and anti-aging. She used bitter almond oil, egg yolk, and honey. Now don't add too much oil to your face because you don't want it to get too oily, but spread this on all over your face and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Although Cleopatra used dead salt from the sea, I'm going to just use regular salt for the sea salt scrub. All you need to do is add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of sea salt with a dash of water. Enough water that the mixture isn't too wet and not too dry, kind of like a paste. Now I do like to put this on my elbows, knees, and feet where there are rough patches, and other times I do like to make enough to use as an exfoliator for the whole body. If you don't want to use the scrub to be so coarse, you can omit the salt and just use sugar instead. These are some of Cleopatra's skincare routine recipes that she used often. If you would like to see more of these types of videos, put a smiley face in the comments and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next week. Stay safe. Bye.